I filmed this episode of two fighting male pileated woodpeckers on the first day of spring. I filmed this along the edge of the woods in my backyard. Things really intensified when they heard the call of another pileated woodpecker. I'm assuming that's the female. The duel between the two continued as they were sword fighting with their beaks for about 3 minutes, and then the main event occurred. Things happen so quickly in nature, and I was very fortunate to film this. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.